morning, guys. Morning. Let's kickstart this vlog today. If it's a case where you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Welcome back to King Will Squad. Okay, all right, guys, this morning I'm very excited. I didn't get enough sleep. I didn't sleep at all. I just tossed and turned, but I'm going on a little trip this morning and I'm really excited. I'm really happy to take you guys along this trip. I've been wanting to go on this trip from April, but I kind of put it off, but it happened now. But yeah, so I've already packed. I've already got my little outfits together, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I'm really hyped and excited. The luggage is like literally packed in the back of this truck, this car. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, guys. So just kick starting the vlog. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know, the journey to get there, where we're gonna be staying, all that jazz. And guys, if I can't hold the camera, Anna hurt me. Cause the backpack there from Anna is a big backpack. Cause one thing I go to overpack. One thing me know me I go to overpack. So yeah. So the fish will line up and my face kind of look like I'm still asleep. But my camera is not even fully charged, which is so crazy. I could actually put the camera on charge, but it's never the on charge. But who am I? My phone is on charge neither. Like my phone the on 29%. Whenever you can see it, 29%. Crazy. I don't change my phone screen. My soon change to screen protector. But yeah, so this morning it's gonna be a magnificent morning, and I'm excited to see how it goes and how it starts off and how the journey goes. Yeah, guys, we'll soon come back.
This is a bit ridiculous.
Still waiting?
Yeah.
I didn't hear the whole.
It's been 16.
Last thing I know become a pool. I don't love it. I don't love it.
The hash brown. But I confused her, so I can't say anything. Oh, you think they put onions in there?
Did you not want onions? Thank you.
Hello! Well, wait,
Plain the gravy.
It's for my vlog, Ariana.
there we go.
This is the car. Oh my god. On this ASCII. Guys, we're about to hit the road. Oh my god. If you didn't know, now you know.
Oh my god.
Guys, she's a bitch. But she's my bitch, okay? And she's my friend.
I'm not your bitch.
Oh, she's Josh's bitch.
I am that bitch. The end. Period. Queen. Point blank.
Point per.
100. Red. No cap. For oh my god.
And I'm not even gonna lie. I'm thoroughly impressed with this car. Thoroughly impressed.
It's not bad, yeah.
It's really not bad.
It's actually pretty spacious for a
Guys,
small car.
hold on, I'm coming back. Goat milk lotion. I heard about that. This is nice.
That's super gross.
Goat milk lotion?
Yeah.
This girl says, let's peruse. Guys, this is Chelsea. She is that girl. Some days. Some other days she's also that other girl.
I am two girls in one.
In one, yeah. Morning. Somebody's preheating the oven. Anyways, so Guys, we got in so late. We got in so late. I'm turning off this one. Got in so late. I couldn't even. I couldn't even. So I'm showing you the place or nothing at all. Couldn't find a parking. I not like parking up here, so parking up here. Listen to me. Listen, I could have been in the kitchen on my right and have a kitchen on my left hand. Hello? Hello, you know, hello. Thank God to have a look. You understand? Look, top start, you understand? But yeah, so this is the Airbnb. It's very plain. We decided to go for plain Jane because as you walk in, see here, because in truth, in cities like this that I'm in, I'm gonna reveal it soon. You have to really prioritize if you want a nice Airbnb or what's gonna cost you an arm, a leg, and probably a kidney. To get that, or you want to sacrifice and just stick with the bare minimum, forget to spend more on your money, basically. So that's what we did. Chose to sacrifice and forego on a nice luxury Airbnb and settle with something that will allow us to save and spend more money. Anyways, so we're going on about on the first day today, out in the city with the girls. And they're almost getting ready. But yeah, this is the first day on this trip and we're super excited, we're super happy, we're super grateful that we got here safe. And the camera, I didn't have them grab the camera in New York, the door blame me. You understand? Because Chelsea says she claims she know New York, so she have a little pepper spray, she have a little pocket knife, and the body now still on it. Them grab my camera, me I just flame it. And this is a second shot $1. But yeah, guys, oh, I'm never showing in the kitchen. Jesus God, I think I'm showing in the kitchen. I think so. But yeah, that with the pan. I'm kind of fully ready. I'm going to show you the outfit of the day soon enough. Something very simple, something very very simple and very very cute. I don't know, Shah. Yeah, but yeah.
Yes.
Don't. Across the road now. Shubasubi.
Shubasubi.
Can you get a photo? Can you get a photo up here? It's so. Does it say on it? Does it say on it though? Which floor?
Didn't he say third floor?
Did he say third floor? Let's go all the way up.
I think he
You
said
see, as a birthday experience, right?
There it is. Let's go.
Yeah.
Elizabeth. So here it says New York to New York.
Yeah.
Oh, it says. Oh my God. You want to burn them all aboard the choo-choo train, all aboard.
Aboard choo-choo.
Wow, Shell, wow. Listen, I need to lick some more. I need to lick some more. Okay. Alright, so.
That was terrifying.
What do you mean terrifying?
I took a wrong turn and it was just scary. There was like armed guards outside.
I'm just laughing at you. Look at my metro card. Look at my metro card. I'm feeling the street boys. Oh my God. Okay. Alexis, I cannot do this one of your things. Made it. Oh my God, Alexis, we're here. Guys, figuring out these maps is what's killing us right now. Alexis, how do you feel?
I feel great.
I'm telling you. Alexis Santos. My God. Downtown Brooklyn, there you go. So midway. And then take the what?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
F train. Midway, the guys in. The guys in the thing. It's okay. Like, oh my God.
Okay.
Okay. Where's you now?
We're
Wow. Pick a New York bitch.
Oh my God.
Okay. Alright, Chelsea, Ariana, where do you go from here? Guys, so we made it to the first stop. Oh, barely made it. Barely.
Nice day. It's like a summer day with air. Okay, check it out. I work on Saturday and Sunday. But last week I worked Monday.
Thank you.
So Alexis, oh my God. So it looks in Jamaica. Exactly the same. Oh, I shouldn't say that's in the sanctuary. I can't sleep. I sleep alone at night, so I won't be touching anything. You okay? I can't lose. How many guys? Guys, let me get the food. Since the food is good, the food is for food and go. Now like soon come back. Drag. Oh, it's here. Saturated. It's not even funny. And it's on auto though.
Baby, help me say I do what I tell you all. What you need? We shall go, we shall go, we shall go and go.
I can't understand. But last night, couldn't vlog no more. Couldn't vlog no more, guys. And I'm telling you no lie. The way all the boat turn over, with way. The way all the boat turn up, you're not gonna see me in the focus. But you see the party boat? Jesus! A long time in the dance over here, sir. And behave so bad. God believe. I need to wash off a morning because the way I behave bad upon the people in boat till all people come over to me. Jesus is terrible. In a good way though. I'm trying to plug in my iPad. I'm gonna watch a charge. Plug the iPad right this time. Watch what I say. I love it though. I didn't love the boat. I love the boat. The boat. It's the boat. The boat angle me. Triangle me, rectangle me. As a matter of fact, I try to open the iPad guys, hold on there, get open, charge. But yeah, so much. Sometimes I forget to me a vlog, to be honest. I forget to me a vlog most of the time. If I say, oh God, I feel I forget a little clipping and things I'm nasty, but not hear me. Yeah, a little clipping. I'm too not work. I'm too out of commission. Yeah, too out of commission. But to God be the glory. You know, I eat the person. The only thing I did turn from live like them parts, I eat the parking. When I say I eat the parking, I eat Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Nobody couldn't tell me say so up to New York and then place in New Jersey and then place here. You have to know for parallel park. Luckily the boy, if the boy they buy him license, boy, you understand me? Boy can park. You understand me? So my uncle they teach me over park, but not to the left hand. And to me parallel parking a little bit easier with the left hand vehicle. But I don't know why to me it's easier with the left hand vehicle. But a little bit easier to left with the left hand. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. And I think I become uncle just him just rivet in my head. When this line up, start putting a lock up. He's a very good teacher, guys, but he's just him so dramatic. But yeah, him teach me how to do the parallel parking. We share a couple weeks well, but it pay off now because we did really need it. I'm not telling them did really need the filling of parallel park because up them place yeah, alone parallel. I say hello. I say, he may tell you, me I tell you. Me say if you don't know parallel park, you're doomed in a New York. You come like, I don't know. Now, I say people who from the city know of parallel park so good. Okay, parallel park, literally anywhere you go, there is no, if you don't pay for parking, you don't have paid parking, you have a parallel park on the side of the road. Right now, I can show you. Look outside if it's a show. It's a show? It's not even a show. But me, I stay outside and a parallel parking, loan pan the stretch, loan parallel parking. Oh yeah, guys, excuse me from look around. But this man, we're gonna show you how to do this today. I think I have like an itinerary we make. So we're gonna get ready. We need to go bed, a belly. You know that we're ready. You know, time of the morning. And then like hopefully make a way today. I'm not sure make a way today, to be honest with you. But yeah. Anyways, my voice was because alone showed me a shout in a music. But anyways, guys, that's really it. That's a little update. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're walking to the vehicle. It's parked on a different side of the street because it's like there was no parking here. It was raining last night. It's not walking. The rain. Let's drop in. Come treat my foot on New York, well, New Jersey. Anyways, yeah, guys. Outfit of the day. When I get a chance to, I will. However, it's not this straight. Yeah, that's gonna be it. My arm must scratch me. My arm, I scratch me. And a loan flight over my head. Watch this. Loan plane over my head. But yeah, so New Jersey is okay. I mean, it's just the parking, man. The parking. I don't like the parking. Parking is too stressful. Too stressful. So yeah, besides that, everything is alright. It is, guys. I continue what going on. Guys, we're at the train track, waiting for the train. One that's actually coming up right now. But yeah. As we're walking on the street, I don't know what my camera is so foggy. It's because it's so cold. Some guy can that them with him. Flashing lights. Cartons of minerals.
The restrooms. Alright. Nah, I can hold it.
Where to first?
I think we came in.
Wait, that's connected. Anthill. Interior. We're also saying that, like, kind of wild at the back door.
With my bags and my pants? Yeah, you can. But no, no bags though. What are these?
They are cute. They are pretty cute. They could put some ear. You see it on the screen.
I know.
See the screen over there?
I have like some.
I can't go anywhere without thinking that you're there.
Oh, I can't see though. 8.3 pounds.
All is better. This how it looked 13 billion years ago.
It's Saturn.
Oh, those are leaf cutters. That's where they live? Yeah, those are ants.
Sorry, let me just. What shell?
I like that. She said try it and let her know how it tastes. What happened?
Wait a minute, hold on. Just wow. These are watching a movie. Queen, eat, Nyam gal. Guys, so we're just about to exit from my friends. They're here. Nothing too major. It was a very interesting show. Not even gonna lie. Very interesting. Liked it. Really liked it. So it's not there now. Nothing much. So I'm gonna forget I'm vlogging. Maybe I'm not gonna see the vlog, but I'll probably see it soon. I don't know. IDK. Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Chelsea's giving her.
Okay, we're in this.
Yes, we are all in this. Guys, I didn't remember to start the vlog until just now. The last day free-balling in New York. My eyelashes. But yeah, so last night I was so exhausted after I finished. We got home. The girls went to bed. The girls were like, I'm tired.
She was tired too.
But I wasn't as bad, but I was tired. I drank one peach Mike's and that was it.
You did drink Mike's?
Yeah, I did drink a Mike's. And then I went to bed. I wish I got up late this morning because I couldn't wake up. A bitch couldn't wake up, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, But we're here today in the train station. We have like a couple things to do today. It's gonna be the heaviest, busiest day. Heaviest and busiest day. But I'm excited because we're off for the next. I'm off until the weekend, so I'll just be turning up. Literally, just be turning up. I'm here, and we're on the train, and I'm gonna sprint and show you guys. Hold on.
Move, bitch!
So that's it. So we're on our way to New York City, and yeah, let's just see how the last day goes.
They're really letting me walk around just a bit my hair.
Yes, we sure would.
Chelsea, help me. Donkey Kong was top of his lead, okay?
Donkey Kong, what's about Donkey Kong? Madam. Wow.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to the second floor right this way.
Aside from the queer state building, you should definitely go to the area from the financial district to 14th Street. As different ethnic groups move through, they always look
Yeah, when you come back down, you have to take a picture.
I think we're coming back.
Yeah, we'll come back down. You good for fresh?
That's what used to run the elevator.
Where was that? Shell. Chelsea. Guys, this is a vibrate. Jesus. It is. I've been so disrespectful. Not RuPaul. Not the cringe.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets flying through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Oh, hey, watch it! We're coming up here! Hey, fellas, what's the
That was fast, chill.
Very, very close, guys. Straight ahead and just continue straight ahead to your left, please.
Wow.
Just
We're
wow.
literally looking down on New York right now, guys.
Wow. Just wow. Okay, just wow. Just wow, guys. It's like things like this I live for. Hi guys, we're about to eat. I'm videoing my iPad. My phone is charging. The girls have already begun to eat. Let me show you the food quick. Eat it up, bitch. Eat it up. Alexis, bite that, Alexis. Yes, Ariana. Yes. Work. Go to work. But from the root, Ariana, from the base of it, grab that. Oh, that's so juicy.
You're wrong. You're wrong for that.
On so many levels.
I'm not gonna know who a lot of these people are.
Wow.
Make sure he's not there.
I need to meet Joe Biden and Barack. Hold on. I'm one scared bitch. Tell. Alex, I knew you were a scared bitch, but I didn't know that you had a ball like this.
He's right up. Hey, you keep getting in my pictures.
Thank you. Can you just take off sunglasses?
You can borrow some. Yeah, you don't have to.
I'm okay.
Get away. Move closer? Closer, yeah. Move over a little. Yeah. There you go.
On to 91. Your eyes on my bed. Your eyes on my bed.
We'll see.
We'll see you.